Hey, progress the analyze. Progress the analyze. You know the tire. Hello, my beautiful family. As always, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. I remain loyal. So, my people, today, this one on a different angle. You will never understand progress the analyst. So no, you will not understand. I dey change. When you catch me for here, I go here. When you catch me for here, I go here. So today, my people, I woke up from sleep to discover this type of news. This type of news now come meet because when they were saying that Brgie sue USB, I say, va, the jump, they go up. I want them. I say, va, why don't you use this money to give to the new leader of Brgie, which is the new women on grand leader, Adanyoncho, so that she can use this money to support women on grand. Hey. Va. He said, no. Said they must sue Dr. Ngozi. He said because Dr. Ngozi have done a lot. I said, Biko, let's allow this thing to rest. You people should move on. They said, no. You know, I told them, I say, this one I am doing. Now, they will load their nyash. All the error will they come out. So, when everything correct, progress the analysis, me myself, I go still rest. I tell them, you people should forget about it. They say, no, that they must go. Just for me to wake up this morning to see this type of news. Now, let us listen to Vagabond. When I talk here, let us listen to him. Then I will tell you the reason why I'm dressed this way. Look at my rubber. So, this movie is a very interesting one that you have to watch to the very end. I'm not quitting anytime soon. No. But if I see where my people is in need, where they are looking for something, I should at least render help. Now, Bible, they say, don't repay evil with evil. So this time around, I said, no. Being that they are in need, I should support in any way I can. Now I make you see progress the analyst. I carry this and I dress like this because we're about to enter street. We are about to enter street to help. Oh, my people, this one they very, very sweet. I beg. Let us listen to Vagabond first. Let us listen to him. The reason I'm dressed like this, you go soon get them. And also, I said before, these people, they are looking for money for women on ground. They still get money, carry, till they go the rent, be higher attorney. Now, the lawyer now need money. That is the problem. The lawyer now need money. Or the attorney or a lobbyist, they need cash. And to sue Dr. Ngozi not be small money. Dr. Ngozi na big fish. So they charge big amount. So tell me, the fundraising they will be doing, instead they use the money for something good though, not to go pay attorney for against Dr. Ngozi case. You see that something is happening upstairs. Now, never have I explain and say, instead they use that money now to go and do good thing. They want to use the money, gather it, go and give the attorney. Now, they are looking for money. Not even that attorney is representing Simon Ekpa in Finland, though. No, it's not going to cut, though. And this money they need is not for Simon Ekpa's lawyer. This money is the case for Dr. Ngozi. Oh, no, say the judge case before they win. Now, people go come out to support Dr. Ngozi. I tell you, people will come out to support her because not be she do the suing. You dey feel me? She not sue anybody. Now how she did? They carry matter commit as okay. They sue you. So people go not support her. People go not come out for fundraising to support her. If at all this suing this thing not true, but I'm just telling you the breakdown based on the reason why I'm here. People will come out now to support her. Before these people start this suing, they don't get money for pocket. They don't keep money for pocket. All the money they have now, they want to carry it now. Go and give to attorney for Dr. Ngozi case. Where we know they use it our mouth to they talk to talk. If it goes straight, it's straight. The time for DOS, I know say last, DOS family with Mazikano Takano and all those people, they still sue that, but at the end of the day, what happen? We don't hear the matter again. But not this time. With everything where they do, say, I'm not sue anybody. You not sue anybody. And apart from that, say, this time, now time they need money. Now they come on use money, take up give attorney when Adaonyo need money to go render for men, women on grant. I been another they get the flight. Women on grant they find money from the leader that we hear down from the new leader of women on grant Adaonyo. Say women on grant need money, and now the little money now when va gather. That they carry am till they go they do attorney for case where not get brain. Okay, which food those people want shop now? I don't know whether or not they understand me. So more money where they get for pocket now, they carry am, they go they do case. You know how long this case go linger? Not because they will just go court today, they go judge the case, go film because Dr. Ngozi, he go see carry her own attorney, he go see carry her own lawyer, and the people now go want support her because they see him as oppression. I tell you, now that money they supposed to use for good thing now, they carry, they go they judge case. Simon Ekpa now, they not say that they carry that money, they go judge case for Simon Ekpa now for America. Anyway, we hear from Vagabond. The reason I dress like this because one enter side now. He's alone. This is your character.
I am with him.
So everybody there with her. You are not with him.
Cabinet is with him.
This is what you are doing.
Brgie original, they are with him. And if say you love Simon Ekpa,
now you love
do
her.
not leave him alone.
Oh.
Don't say, okay, Vam is just there claiming. No. You have to be with him. This is when Simon Ekpa needs you more.
Now you like her pass now.
At least, if for any reason, for the fact that the move that he gave authority of have been taken against Ngozi,
deceive yourself.
You have to be with Simon Ekpa. Not before mouth. Not before mouth. You need to put your hand in your pocket.
Wahala.com.
And be with Simon Ekpa for real. Go and check how much it costs
to
employ the services of Aman Dabiri. Go online and look for how much.
My God, see money.
This is a lawyer, former lawyer of Muammar Gaddafi, of countries like Sudan, presidencies of some countries. And he wins cases. So go and find out how much it costs to have the services of Moran Global, our lobbyists. How much? Find out. Just go and find out. Those that made it possible for us to nip Ngozi
you see
on the board.
You see?
Forget about all this nonsense they are saying. Hey, it's fake. Because go and look because what Ngozi is saying is fake.
She wrote. You did see
Ngozi
it?
Cannot open her mouth and say it's fake. So all those that will take Simon Ekpa picture and cancel it and say, it's fake, it's fake.
I said Simon Ekpa did not send you.
Many of them will be running away from Ngozi.
Make it be. May we run away.
It is not free. You will wonder why did it take us so long to be able to do that.
Men of God, they find money.
And then what you need to do now, your $10 or $20, go to www.ipobinusa.org/donate or call me or call my boss.
Or call any of the media for this one.
Tell them you want to support. In fact, now you have seen what we are doing. Okay?
Do you want me to call on your shit to tell us what you are doing?
I mean, it costs a lot.
So
you now, Simon Ekpa needs you to stand with him. Don't join people that will say Simon Ekpa is alone. He's not alone. And then coming again to Simon Ekpa is alone. He was alone in the court. The Finnish authority, they don't allow people.
You see life. In fact, he says so. Their achievements, is that they've succeeded in suing Dr. Ngozi. That is their achievements. Not me talking. You hear there. Their achievement is that they succeeded in suing Dr. Ngozi. That is their major aim. That is their major achievement. Now, let us really see the reason why Adaonyo calling that Mr. Ogekere is squandering the money. He's misusing the fund. They don't see any money. They don't do anything. They don't do that. They don't do this. You see the reason now. That means they be keeping the money. Hey, they be keeping this money for case. What about if Dr. Ngozi na call carry lawyer when he call pass on her own? He carry lawyer when he pass on her, then you people lose the case. All those people money don't go. You see him. Anyways, on a day, whenever he say me we tap, me go beg money, me go find money. When are they tell them? They're not here. My people, follow me. Let's go and look for money for Van. Because I don't want a situation whereby this issue now will turn to something else. I don't want a situation whereby this attorney now, he go they vibrate. They catch people, be innocent people. Now, let me be a brother keeper for once. Let's go and see how we can gather this money. Because this matter now, you they see Vavavana. The attorney don't change that for them. The attorney have said, I need my money subito, quick. Now, I don't want them to do this alone. Let's go and help them.
Look at the Progress, the analyst. Where did they go, Madam Progress? And you want about for her? What did happen?
Hey, my sister.
Wetin?
Wahala dey.
And you don't even wear trousers. What did happen?
Wahala dey, oh, wahala dey.
What's wahala?
You never see something where they happen.
What did they happen, my Progress?
You know, say I get YouTube channel. So problem come these Biafran people. Some of the
Biafra people again.
Some of the way they know they fight for Biafra. You know Van Gabon now, Van.
What be Van?
That tub where one toy, one baby rubber.
That man when they talk anyhow.
So the man now, he now tell me this morning say that they find money.
Money for wetin? Tell me story.
Money to pay for lawyer.
They carry lawyer. Now you can't dey cry now. I Progress the analyst. Now you dey cry.
Be your brother's keeper.
Now you can't dey cry because of Van.
Van, tell am o. I tell am that they say before you go fight Dr. Ngozi, make sure say you get trouser. Make sure say you wear trouser. You do finish. He said they be Brgie people. Say they want to Dr. Ngozi. Now they go
see Dr. Ngozi.
They don't go sue am the other side though, the United States of Biafra. The Brgie come go sue United States of Biafra. No, Brgie people now, they don't go get money. They don't get money.
Tell me story.
They don't get money to pay for attorney. As far as I come this money, they cry.
You can't they cry?
To be a brother keeper. Now I me myself come outside. They can't beg anybody. When I go see money, give me.
That's what you want to do, Anna. Now how much you don't coffee get now? How much they don't give you? Progress News.
I never get reach €2.
You don't get reach €2? Hey, the matter strong, go. My people. Progress, wait, they can miss you, I beg. So now you can't drive and they cry like this.
I tell vagabond. I want them.
What do you call her? Vagabond?
I want them.
Vagabond.
I want them.
Say story, oh.
Say that leg where did they go?
You know, yeah.
You know, yeah. This money now, everything just scatter. I say, make her they go. Make her they go be bad people.
Why you call they beg?
Why they go see you go give me money?
No be small, madam. You don't say you can't go front small. Then you see go they help people. Maybe they help you.
Make them don't give my money.
No be small thing, no. This is serious, This one serious, so no be small thing.
He don't red, though. He don't red, though.
Progress is where they can miss you.
He don't red, though.
Something they cry now. Maybe people for still give you help. I beg. Something they can miss you.
He don't red, though.
No be small thing, no. This time Progress is when they cry like this.
He don't red, though. I want Baba say they don't go see Dr. Ngozi, they don't agree. Baba say the money na million of dollars, so na billions of dollars the man they take for. He don't red, he don't red for Brgie, oh. Baba don't put Brgie for wahala, oh.
No be small thing, no.
Hey. So, my people family, that brings us to the end of this update. I still remain your one and only favorite bubble girl, any day, anytime. And I will keep on updating you on all the latest happening. See, now Progress the analyst, now here for the happening. This is the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon and share our video so that whenever I drop any update, you'll be the first to notify. Anyways, as for this case, I got the update on now. I go to give out to now back to back. I go to update to now what next, what they are doing right now, everything. And I go to see from Progress the analyst. Thank you so much, and I want to say I really love you all, my supporters, my loved ones. Oh God, you guys are the best. I appreciate you people every day. I'm not doing this alone. You guys are the really organic. You guys are the progress, the analyst themselves. Nona back. Now they run now. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you and bye for now.